Hey everyone, we're back with a new video. Today, we're showing you Excel's new copy-paste feature. Usually, we use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. But now, you can simply use your mouse. Let me show you how. For example, if I want to copy this number to the cells below, I can just drag it like this. Now, if you want to fill a series like 1, 2, 3, and so on, look for the autofill icon at the end of your data. Click on it, and you'll see options. Select Fill Series, and you'll get the results you want. If you want to go back to copying the same data, just click on the autofill icon again and choose Copy Cells. Now, let's say I have a number with some formatting, and I want to copy it below while keeping the same formatting. I can simply drag it like this, but what if I only want to copy the data, not the formatting? In that case, just drag the data, then look for the autofill icon at the corner. Click on it, and you'll see some options. Select Fill Without Formatting. If you want to copy just the formatting without the data, choose Fill Formatting Only. Right now, we use Ctrl+E for flash fill. But now, you can simply drag your data, click on the autofill icon, and select Flash Fill. And just like that, you're done.